Let's talk about some of the top 5 programs in United States if you want to pursue your majors in earth sciences or geosciences. So MIT offers one of the best programs under geosciences. It specializes mainly in geophysics, geochemistry and planetary sciences, mainly pertaining to seismology, climate change, oceanography. Then you have University of the California Institute of Technology, the Caltech campus at Pasadena. Now this specializes mainly in astrophysics. So astrophysics, theoretical and experimental physics are the basic areas under Caltech, and it mainly focuses on tectonics. So studies related to tectonics, a super specialization you can understand. Then UC Berkeley campus. Under the Berkeley campus, you would mainly specialize in, again, paleontology, sedimentology, geochemistry as some of the options under geosciences. So very, very interdisciplinary to what we say the geology courses in India. Then is the Stanford University. Stanford University specializes again in environmental science and geophysics as some of the major domains. And UT Austin again specializes in geochemistry, planetology, and then research relating to sedimentology and paleoclimatic conditions. So that is the basic idea. Now, being close to the NASA center, it specializes in the space technologies being linked with the geosciences. So understanding the geological structure of various planetary structures or the planetary bodies again is one of the major centers of domain under UT Austin. So those are some of the major geoscience, earth science programs in the United States. Now you can pursue your bachelor's as well as master's for those. The eligibility criteria vary for each of the exam. For your undergrad, you would have to go with the SAT or the ACT scores, and then for your postgraduate, you would have to qualify for GRE and appear for the interview placements there, right? So basically, to join in, this is the process, and these are some of the best departments in geosciences.